Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to pause location sharing on Life360 app. To pause location sharing on Life360 app, you have to follow these steps. So first of all, you want to go ahead and log into your Life360 account, and then it's gonna show you this sort of page. Now here you want to go ahead and press the gear icon. It's gonna take you to the settings page. Over here, locate for location sharing option, and next to your profile you could see this toggle button, so click on that, and this way you'll be notified whenever you stop sharing your location, as the way to pause location. So you could see this is the one that's toggle. If you want to pause it, just toggle the button and it will automatically pause location sharing on Life360. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.